Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase social media reach with Hootsuite easy tutorial step by step clearly. Create a Hootsuite account by visiting the Hootsuite website. Click on the sign up button and choose a plan that fits your needs. Complete the registration by entering your email, password, and other required information. Once registered, log into your Hootsuite dashboard. Connect your social media accounts by selecting the platforms you want to manage. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access each account. Now, navigate to the Streams section of your dashboard. Create a new stream for each social media account you've connected. This will allow you to monitor posts, messages, and engagement in one place. Next, explore the Composer tool located at the top of your dashboard. Use the Composer to create engaging posts for your social media accounts. Make sure to include eye-catching visuals and relevant hashtags. Schedule your posts for optimal times by selecting the date and time in the Composer. Utilize Hootsuite's best time to post feature for maximum reach. Once your posts are scheduled, move to the Analytics section. Review the performance metrics of your previous posts. Focus on engagement rates, click-through rates, and follower growth. Use this data to refine your content strategy and posting schedule. Consider using the Hootsuite Insights tool to analyze trends. Pay attention to audience behavior and trending topics in your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Create a content calendar within Hootsuite to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Regularly check in on your streams for real-time engagement. Revisit your analytics often to ensure your strategies are effective. Stay updated on social media algorithm changes to adapt your content accordingly. Utilize Hootsuite's collaboration tools if working with a team for seamless communication. Leverage Hootsuite's integration with other apps to enhance productivity. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing your social media reach with Hootsuite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.